Today I am here to show you what I think made the cut from the Creativation 2020 show. So this is basically Laurel's Best of Creativation, what made the cut. So if you're interested in seeing what caught my eye and what I think might catch yours too, stay with me. So I did not go to the show this year, but I did spend hours researching online and just looking for things. And these are the things that caught my eye in particular. Creativation is just a basic, big, huge show that is in Arizona where a bunch of companies get together and they are showcasing what they are releasing for 2020. So any of the products that are available now, I will be sure to link below, but I'll also be sure to let you know when they are coming as well. All right, first up, let's start with ThermoWeb. They have released Neon. So first up, you have the Neon Glitz Glitter Gel. This is very pigmented, bright, bright neon, and it's glitter. It's straight up glitter in there. So your projects are going to be shiny and sparkly. You also have some more neon inks. They also have neon foil and flock transfer papers. And here is a medium they've released. It's the Deco Foil Transfer Gel Blanco, and it's basically white. So you can apply it on its own or through a stencil or whatever, and it will dry white with a shine. And you could use it just like that, and I think that's beautiful. It gives you this raised, shiny, dimensional effect. Or you can run it through with your foil, run it through your laminator with your foil or your flock paper, and you'll get a beautiful foiled look. You can kind of see a little peek of it over there on the right. But you can use it that way, or you can use it without heat and just use it like a medium, and you can tint it with your inks or maybe your sprays or your paints and run it through a stencil or whatever and get a really pretty look like that as well. So I think that's pretty cool. These goodies are set to release in March of this year. Next up is the Stamp Market. They have a new organizational line that really caught my eye, the Stick and Store Storage. So you can either get white dividers or rainbow dividers like you see here, and you can buy the labels separately if you want. You can label and organize all your stuff in just such a cute way. Look how cute that is. I just love it. So it's made for your stamp storage. Also, the sheets, the colored sheets or the white sheets, whatever you want to get, the dividers are wipeable, so you can write on them if you want to. Also, that backing sheet that you usually get with your clear stamps, you don't have to use that because your clear stamps will actually stick to these dividers. And the labels are sold separately and they're blank, so you can label things as is. So I just love this line. This is actually releasing very soon in a couple weeks in February. And by the way, they are released in a pack of 12. So you get 12 inserts and sleeves per pack. Right, next up is Wow Embossing. They never fail me ever. I love their dual speed heat tool. I use it all the time. Now we've got releasing a mixed media embossing brush. It actually looks like it's nail polish, but you're able to do some really fun mixed media techniques by using the brush and just kind of swiping it on, and then heat embossing and getting some really fun looks. Tons of new embossing powders and glitters and mixes are releasing. Beautiful, shiny, it's just lovely. I adore Wow embossing powders. There are so many different finishes and colors and combinations you can get. Seth Apter has a line with Wow, and here's a couple looks at those metals, guess that's how you say it, are so cool. But just take a look at the chunky glitter at the top and then the finely milled glitter in the middle. Oh, it's so pretty. Next up is Ranger. We've got a lot of new things that are releasing, but what caught my attention was the alloys. I was kind of blown away with the alloys. First of all, they come in 5 colors to start with. I'm guessing there's probably going to be more. This is actually some footage I borrowed from Scrap Time videos. Again, I'll link to them below. They covered the show very well. And here he is dropping on one little dollop of the alloys onto a panel. I think that's Yupo cardstock with some of the new alcohol ink colors. More on that in a second. And you see how that gold just stays together. It's just like I'm staying in my puddle and there's nothing you can do about it. And I think it's so cool. So it's like a reflective ink with like metal powers that creates metal highlights that stay grouped together. To use the alloys, you want to use them with either the Ranger alcohol ink or the blending solution. They all are meant to work together, but you can go and you can add alcohol, you can kind of move it around, but they still tend to stay grouped together, which I think is cool because it's not a mixative. Like the mixatives are thick, and then when you go and you add alcohol and you kind of blow, it just blows all over the page. But here he is dropping on some alcohol ink, he's the alcohol ink panel blending solution, and you can see he's blowing it. He's using this little blower thing and blowing everything around. You can see all of the alcohol ink moving, but the alloy is just staying right there. So it's almost like you can finally get some control when doing alcohol inks by using the alloy. So here's a look at how it kind of all stayed grouped together there in the middle once everything was dry. I thought that was so pretty. He also is releasing 15 new alcohol ink colors. They are so pigmented. And here is kind of a clip of a video I found of just a couple of the colors, the new colors. And you can see how bright and pigmented and just happy they are. I just love bright. I gravitate towards rainbows. I love bright, happy, fun party colors. These just speak to me. So Ranger has it set to release these products on February 29th. Moving into Nuvo by Tonic, we've got some new Crackle Mousse that's being released. It requires no heat, which, by the way, I just want to say, hoorah. No heat required. You just slap this on with a palette knife or whatever you want to do, and as it dries, it crackles. The more you add, the more bigger crackles that you're going to get. They're starting with 8 colors, and they are releasing this spring. We've also got some new shimmer colors. This is Opal Quartz, Sunlit Sienna, and Blush Rosette. They are metallic with an iridescent finish, and these are also releasing in the spring. And I just love the Aqua Flow markers. I think they're fantastic. So this metallic addition to the Aqua markers are fantastic. And they show up so well on dark cardstock. Next up is Altenew. They are releasing a double-sided cutting mat. It's a self-healing reversing cutting mat. On one side there's a grid with measurements, and on the other side it's centimeters. They have also guides for standard cardstock and scrapbook sizes for you. They also are releasing new artist grade watercolors. If you follow me, you know that I adore their watercolor palette, and they've got some new colors releasing, and these are set to release in February. Next up is Picket Fence. They had something that caught my eye is paper glaze. And look at all the fun colors. I don't know too much about this yet. I'm still getting some information, but it caught my eye enough to want to include it in the video. And I just think this is so fun. This will make some really fun mixed media backgrounds, or even scrapbooking backgrounds, or even something to add texture to your card bases. So I'll be sure to purchase this once it's available so I can check it out, because again, it definitely caught my eye. And last but not least is My Sweet Petunia. She is releasing something called the Misty 2.0 with some improvements to the original design. First up, there's a little kind of a little lip right there, so you can get your finger under there and easily open and close the Misty door. There is storage for your magnet right there. The hinges right near the hinge, I don't know if you can see it. There's a place to store your magnets. The hinges have been improved, and also the rulers are now built into the Misty. They are available right now for pre-order, and they will begin shipping in May. So there you have it, the things from Creativation 2020 that caught my eye. Did I miss anything? It's possible. I was not at the show. If there's something that caught your eye that I didn't list here, let me know in the comments. I probably will like it too, and I just didn't notice it. But anyway, let me know what you think. Do any of these things, are you giddy about any of them? Do any of them excite you? I want to know. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you again next time for my next video. Bye.